Good afternoon, everyone. Have a beautiful saw to show you today. This is one of my Stihl 041s. This is a 041 AV. So I advertised this one maybe that was about 2 months ago, and as a saw I don't cut with. When it was running, I was unhappy with how it was running. It was running beautifully, and then it seemed to be hesitant coming back to idle properly. So I dropped it to the dealer, and almost like a piece of, it's strange wood, it almost was like a piece of string wrapped around on the inside of the seal on the clutch side, and was just bleeding a tiny piece of air. A little bit of air was going in, making the idle a little bit rough. So she's had the seals done, so as a matter of course the alternator side has been done as well. Fuel lines have been replaced, and fuel pickup, new spark plug, and now she's back again. So she's going back up on eBay as a collector's item. I put a brand new scabbard with it as well because I think it's a nice finishing touch, and I didn't like the look of my last chain, which I don't cut with the saw, but so I put from one of my other 041s, I bought a brand new Stihl chain, and I've put that chain on here. So I've cut with this chain, I think 3 times maybe. It's not been sharpened. Chain's in beautiful condition. So I'll show it starting and running, and hopefully suitable for one of you out there. She's in just beautiful condition. It's had a starter rebuild, new pull cord, all the fasteners are original as far as I can tell. Has fantastic compression and starts beautifully. There you guys, so I shall pick up the camera, do a very quick walk around on the saw, and hopefully this is suitable for one of you out there that's looking to add this to your collection, or maybe you'll want to put her back into service. So, no brakes on the handle in beautiful condition, as is the AV mount. Kill switch obviously working, as is the throttle lock. On the underside, you can see how clean she is. It's done no work, this saw. No brakes on the fuel tank stroke pull start housing. New cord, correct pull starter. Correct handguard at the front. Paint is just in beautiful condition. Front AV mount. What's also nice on the 041 AV is the adjustable chain oiler. So it's running a 20-inch genuine steel Duramatic bar, stellite tip, hard-nosed, genuine steel full chisel chain. Let me swing her around. Felling spike present, no damage on the side cover housing. And the handles are devils for braking at the back round here, all perfect. So, the only piece of damage on this saw, as far as I know, is the devils for braking off as well. Inside here, this little lug which just spaces the exhaust cover from the chassis. That lug is there, but is come away, but the lug is still there, just so it's acting as a spacer. Chain catcher present. And the other side. And if you can just make out inside here this little orange wheel. If you turn the wheel clockwise, you increase the oil flow, and if you turn it counterclockwise, you decrease the oil flow. So it's a very nice feature to have. And the saw will also be coming, as well as with the scabbard, it will also be coming with the Stihl manual for the saw, albeit for the Farm Boss variation, but they, in almost every regard other than perhaps AV mounts, the saws appear almost identical. Okay, so I shall quickly show her on a restart. Stihl suggests that these saws make 5.5 horsepower, so I've read elsewhere that that's optimistic, and they're kind of a lower revving engine compared to the obviously some of the later Stihl saws, but it's very nice having the AV mounts on it. And if any of you read the history of Stihl, they've got some incredible innovations, Stihl as a company, but there's some confusion over to the dates of the AV mounts on their saws, because a lot of people have quoted that the AV mounts were introduced in '66, but if you go onto the patent site, you'll see Stihl actually filed for patents for the AV mounts in '64. I think they fitted them to the Contra saws from '65 on, and the 041s are listed as being manufactured from '67 on. And there's a snippet, I think, from the Stihl history page which says that all Stihl 041s from '67 on were mounted with AV mounts, and yet there's some versions there with non-AV, so the dates are very strange. If anybody's got any feedback on that, I'd love to hear it. Kill switch. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's my time warp condition Stihl 041 AV. Any questions, please just ask. Anyone who can take a look, you'd be more than welcome. That's going up for sale on eBay as a collector's item. Bye for now.